Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you about the miraculous benefits of reading the last 4 ayahs of Surah al-Mu'minun. Reading these last 4 ayahs of Surah al-Mu'minun have worked wonders for many people, and it can do the same for you as well. These last 4 ayahs have many benefits and can be a solution to any and all the problems you may have. If you have any health related issues that need to be resolved, reading these ayahs 7 times while keeping in mind the problems that you want to resolve, it will help you greatly. If you want to accomplish something that seems very difficult or even impossible, reciting these last 4 ayahs will give you the power to accomplish anything. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has said, if a person recites this with conviction on a mountain, even the mountain would move. Proving that you can do even the most difficult tasks if you recite these last 4 ayahs. Now to read Surah al-Mu'minun's last 4 ayahs. أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ فَتَعَالَى اللَّهُ الْمَلِكُ الْحَقُّ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا هُوَ رَبُّ الْعَرْشِ الْكَرِيمِ وَمَنْ يَدْعُ مَعَ اللَّهِ إِلَهًا آخَرَ لَا بُرْهَانَ لَهُ بِهِ فَإِنَّمَا حِسَابُهُ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِ إِنَّهُ لَا يُفْلِحُ الْكَافِرُونَ وَقُلْ رَبِّ اغْفِرْ وَارْحَمْ وَأَنْتَ خَيْرُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it, subscribe if you haven't already, and take a look at my other videos. Thank you.